upstairs, but I just got robbed. Now, while I was in there spraying some doors in the next room, some arsehole came up through this door here, went through my truck, emptied my glove box out, then came in here to where my table is, grabbed my camera bag with all my GoPro stuff in it, and my little Osmo Pocket, which is only a month old. Everything to do with GoPro is in that bag. Everything. Now, they also took my wallet, which was in this zip here. I actually zipped that up, so they took my wallet out of there. Credit cards, $120 in cash, gun license, all of the good stuff. So I rang the police and I rang the two banks involved and got those cards cancelled. But just goes to show you, even though I'm only just there, it's a really good suburb. Lost your bloody vehicle, and I don't know how you can stop them coming in like this. It's just too hard. But anyhow, I'm pretty gutted, but I'll get over it. And I don't think I have any insurance in the cameras stuff. I had the GoPro, which is what I'm recording on now. I had that in the other room, so they didn't get that. So that's something. It's $600. My Osmo Pocket was $600. All my shoulder, chest, headgear, camera, everything to do with the Osmo, battery, light, a camera light that goes on top of this one here. You name it, it's all in there. It's all gone. So catch us later. Bye.